Hi, everybody. I'm James,
And I'm Grace,
and welcome to the James and Grace Show. This show is about, she's going to cook for us today.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook milkfish Sarciado. Then I'm gonna show you the main ingredients. Okay.
Okay, let me turn the camera around. Okay, here we go.
Yes. This is the milkfish. It's already clean from the market. They remove the scale and intestine. Already washed and already sprinkle the salt and flour in here.
What kind of salt is that?
Rock salt.
Okay, rock
Okay.
salt.
Yeah. And it's optional. They can use iodized, okay,
Okay.
iodized salt. So this is for medium tomatoes.
Okay.
Okay. They can use a tomato sauce,
Okay.
everyday one, stuff like that.
Okay.
Then a medium onion already cut.
All right.
Then 4 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
Crushed garlic.
Four cloves of garlic,
Yeah,
right?
and yep, and 3 beaten eggs.
Okay.
And this is oh,
Oh.
pepper.
All right.
Yeah.
Pimento.
Paminta.
Okay, pimento.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you going to do now?
Okay, in a wok, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Should a wok. I'm gonna open the flame. Okay.
All right.
Right. And then put oil.
All right.
Okay.
Is that olive oil or what kind of oil? Just any
Cholesterol free
Okay.
oil.
Okay.
Okay. Then hold on. Because I need to fry this first.
Okay.
Okay.
So how many minutes do you think you need to cook the fish?
Make it golden brown.
Okay.
And you have to dip it fried in a oil.
All right. Okay. Fish is called isda.
Yeah. Isda in Filipino.
Yes. Okay.
Be careful, guys, because these fishes make you pop up. Okay.
Okay.
So be careful. Okay. Okay.
All right.
So you have to cover this. Okay.
Okay.
Cover, because it's pop up the grease and it hurts you. Oh.
Yeah. All right.
Wait until it's golden brown, the fish.
Okay. All right. The milkfish is done now. Now she has to season it.
Yeah. So this in Filipino it's called bangus. Okay?
In
Bangus.
English, it's milkfish.
Yes.
Milk.
So we're gonna start.
Okay.
Stay now, hold on.
I don't understand why they keep the heads on there though, but I don't like that.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Yeah.
Open the flame.
Now, what you gonna do now?
Okay, those ingredients that I showing first.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So now she's gonna put the
Okay, saute.
sauteed in the garlic,
Yeah.
the eggs, and the onions. Yeah.
Oil. I don't use too much oil, okay, guys?
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, too much oil ain't too good for
Yeah.
you.
Mm-hmm.
She got her tomatoes, garlic, and eggs.
And okay, I start first the garlic, crushed garlic. Okay.
Crushed garlic.
Yeah. It's okay. You can use garlic powder, whatever you have. Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah.
I like the way garlic smells.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like the way garlic smells, but I like the way it smells, especially when it's cooking.
And the next is
All right.
onion.
All right. Onion.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, wait until it's fragrant.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. Oh.
The onions, the garlic. All right.
Right. Then
Now
I'm gonna mix this.
Oh,
Cut tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, carefully.
All right. Now it really
Mix it.
got an aroma. Yeah.
Okay, let it simmer for 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you're gonna put the eggs in, right?
Then I mix a 3/4 cup of water
Okay. 3 cups of water.
to make it dissolve and melt stuff like that.
All right. All right.
Okay. It's almost
So you
melt.
got to smash it, right?
Yeah. They can use tomato sauce, whatever they have, but I like fresh tomatoes.
All right.
Yeah.
So y'all can use tomato paste or anything like that.
Yeah.
Maybe tomato sauce or anything, but she prefers to use fresh
Yeah.
uh,
Then I'm
tomatoes.
gonna put a 3/4 cup of water
Okay.
to make it, dissolve. Then simmer again until it dissolves.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
that's it.
And then you're gonna put
Then I'm
This
gonna,
in there.
yes, this
The fish.
Okay,
is the
yeah, it's done.
okay. All right.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
All right.
Okay, I think this tomato is ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna. What other seasoning do you have to put in there?
Hold on, I need to mix put this, is that, this
Yeah.
milkfish or tilapia in Filipino, or bangus.
Mm-hmm. Fish goes inside.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Do you
I'm
turn
gonna
it over?
I'm gonna
Oh, you
put
put
this called magic syrup. It's all-in-one seasoning granules. It have a garlic, onion, pepper, and grilled chicken in there.
All right.
So it tastes good. Just a little,
The syrup.
yeah. Sprinkle Oops, enough.
All right.
Then a little salt.
Salt.
Yeah. Sprinkled salt.
So that was roughly a tablespoon, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this black pepper.
All right. Black pepper. All right.
Okay. Ouch.
Black pepper.
And turn around.
And you know, just let it cook for 1 minute
Yeah.
on that side, then flip it over.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
This
Now the eggs.
beaten eggs. Okay.
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 All right.
It's almost finished product. Oh no.
So now you got all the ingredients in there.
Yes.
So you cook. Okay, do the eggs cook on there or?
Yes, then you have to simmer it for 1 minute, then it's cooked. Okay, cover it for
Okay.
1 minute. Okay.
All right. You got to say anything about it? Anything else about it?
It's easy to cook, guys, in 30 minutes. Okay.
30
You
minutes.
can cook.
All right.
Yeah.
Because I'm kind of hungry right now.
Oh no, my
This is,
goodness.
this is smelling the garlic and stuff.
Tomatoes in
All
there,
right.
garlic, onions. Okay.
So what is this dish called?
This called milkfish Sarciado.
Okay. Sarciado.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Finished product.
All right. There it is. It's prepared now.
Yes.
All right. So,
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you like. Thank you.
Yes.
Salamat.
peace. Adios. Salamat.
Okay.